Hello and welcome to the Settings tab tutorial. On the far left there is the Threads drop-down menu with the values from 1 to 10. What that means is you can select how many processes the software will create at once. In the middle there are 6 checkboxes that are directly connected with the generated product results. If check YouTube is green, then with the product results under the YouTube competition file you will get how many videos are created for that product on YouTube. If check Amazon reviews count is green, you are going to get how many reviews that product has on Amazon under the reviews field. If check Amazon competition and estimates is green, you are going to get Amazon category items and estimated sales for that particular item. If check eBay is green, you are going to get the eBay price on that item that you can click. If check Walmart is green, you are going to get the Walmart price on that item that you can click. If check AliExpress is green, you are going to get the AliExpress price on that item. Under the Settings tab you should also select the Amazon Marketplace you are using under the Amazon Marketplace country drop-down menu. Under the Proxy button you can import proxies from File, clicking Select Proxy File and then Import Proxies. You can clear the imported proxies clicking the Clear Proxies button, and in order to use the proxies you should click Use Proxies to be green. Under the Set APIs button you have to set the API keys that are required in order for the software to work.